Hey guys, what is happening? Some of you might be asking where all the Warhammer videos went on my channel page, and I just wanted to give a little bit of an update in regards to that because I am in fact launching a second YouTube channel where you can find all of my Warhammer and hobbying related content, including a brand new video that you can find only on that channel right now. I'll put a link in the description for that. So some of you might be asking why I'm doing this. You might be saying, oh, Toasty, you're like way too small to have two YouTube channels. But hey, that's kind of the point, actually. I'm at a point where I'm so tiny that I can do pretty much whatever I want and see what sticks. So this is just another experiment of mine. 2021 has been big about experimenting with different ideas, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't, and kind of proceeding from there. And besides that, I'm really enjoying making Warhammer related videos, and I have a lot of ideas for those, but YouTube doesn't like it when a channel spans multiple different topics because it doesn't know where to kind of point your viewers with the algorithm. So I have this new Warhammer YouTube channel. I also am going to be refocusing this channel on art, painting, and Clip Studio Paint tutorials and things like that. Some of you might have noticed that there hasn't been an art video in a couple weeks, and that is honestly because I'm kind of going through a little bit of an art block right now. There's been a massive series of heat waves in Vancouver where I'm living currently, and it's been really kind of just demotivating to go live streaming or to do any sort of art stuff. Usually streaming is what keeps me regular in my drawing and painting schedule, and it's just honestly been too uncomfortable to do that lately, so I haven't really been drawing that much, and also just kind of being out of ideas in a more general sense and just trying to refocus and come back stronger than I was before. So I will be doing more art stuff soon, hopefully. I don't know exactly when that's going to be. I do have to also consider some stream schedule reshuffling a little bit due to some recent life events and things like that. So this channel, Getting Toasty, is going to be art focused, with perhaps a K-pop slant still. That I'll probably still be doing some K-pop paintings here and there. And my new channel, Toasthammer, is going to be focused on Warhammer 40,000, primarily content, kit bashing, hobbying, lore, probably not battle reports at any point in the near future. I don't really have a setup that's conducive to that. But yeah, just wanted to give a little update on what's happening with this channel, what the future of Toasthammer is going to look like, and things like that. You'll find new videos on Toasthammer every Friday afternoon is, I think, what I'm going with. I'm not exactly sure what the best time to post videos is yet, still kind of figuring that out, but that is kind of what I'm trying currently. So if you're subbed to this channel and you want to help me out, consider subbing to Toasthammer as well. It'd be a huge help to me and my development as a sort of YouTube person. I don't really categorize myself as that, but I am making videos on the platform, so I guess that's what I am. And if you're looking forward to some more art videos, you know, give me a thumbs up. I would love to see a little bit of external motivation, to be honest. That'd be great to get the old gears turning in my head. So I will see you guys later. Again, just a quick update this week, and hopefully I'll be back in the next couple of weeks with something a little bit more regular for the channel. Peace.